Hello everyone, welcome to videoschoolonline.com's ScreenFlow course. We're talking about how to use Mac's ScreenFlow program, which is a great program for screencasting, creating online courses, online tutorials. It's just one of the best programs. Camtasia is another one that I've used, but I feel like ScreenFlow is just as good, and for the Mac user, it's really intuitive and easy, and it's perfect for beginners. So today I'm just going to give you a program layout of ScreenFlow. So once you open it up, it's going to look similar to this. You're not going to have these clips over here on the right side or anything down here in the timeline. But first, let's go from top to bottom. Obviously up top you have your menu, you have your file menu where you can start your new recordings, save, export, publish to these different platforms, edit. You can do all sorts of things with your timeline, edit your video with this menu itself up here. You're marking your footage, your ins and outs points of your video. We'll get to that later. You can add text box, annotations, different things like that. You can change the font, the kerning, ligature, all sorts of things, styles of your fonts, add different actions. Again, these things will go over in the future. You can change the view of ScreenFlow if you want it to be full screen, etc. And that's pretty much it. Right here is your canvas, which is where your video will show up after you have recorded it or once you have imported footage into the program. Down here is your timeline, where you will see all the different layers that you have. Right now I have one text layer and I have a video layer. So these are video layers that I've already recorded. So I'll just bring one down onto my timeline to show you how it is. So there you have my audio and video track right there. And then you can also bring down your screen capture, the screen capture that goes along with it, because that's the best thing about ScreenFlow is that it captures not only the screen, but also video and audio if you want. And all those settings you can change. There's different crop settings that we'll go through in the future. Play, fast forward, rewind, the timing of your layer or of your timeline. Down here you can zoom in and out of your timeline, like so. And then up here on the top right, this is really where you're going to get into editing your content. You have your video properties, audio properties, screen recording properties, callout properties, annotations, text properties, and then your media that you import. And you basically use all these tools to edit your videos and make them awesome. So this is the basic layout. I'll play through this. You can see the audio waveforms right here. So that's good to know. But really, that's pretty much it. It's a really simple program. It might seem a little daunting with all these options right here, but I have specific lessons that cover each of those later on. And in the next lesson, we're just going to get started with creating a new recording. But for now, that's about it. If you have any questions, please let me know. Check out videoschoolonline.com for more great tutorials, and we'll see you next time. Bye.